Hello, lovelies. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another weekly analysis with Rejoice Muna. And this is GBPUSD. Okay, so last week we said that we're looking at this POI, whether it will go back up, to this main cell and continue, or whether it will break structure. And last week it did break structure. So when it broke structure, we now confirm that, okay, cells are going to happen. Okay, so what I did was we took a little cell in the 4-hour time frame. This is the cell that we took, and this went a little above 20 pips, and then we closed on Friday because most times I don't trade on Mondays because Mondays are like for liquidity sweep. So on Monday, what happened? It still sold, but it went a little bit up to, sweep liquidity before selling proper. And just as we can see, this particular point that we marked for the bullish move, for it to maybe go back, when it broke that structure, it did retest it. It did retest that POI, as you can see. So naturally, when I wanted to send the sell, I wanted to calculate all this together, like put the SL above this, but the SL was going to be too much because the TP was somewhere here, so I didn't. So that was why I took the short risky sell. But as you can see, it still sold and we still got a little profit from it on Friday. Now that we have confirmed that it has broken structure, now is our avenue to sell, and most times we go to the daily time frame to do this. So now that we have confirmed that this has broken structure, price is likely to come back up a bit, sweep liquidity before going down. So we're looking at anywhere above this point, 1.336. So price is likely to come back anywhere above this point and start selling. So we are now going to look for valid POIs, but the POIs now might just it's just going to be within this range, like this whole range. So what I'm considering is that if you're considering it as big as this, you're going to be considering this whole range. You're going to be considering this whole range, which as we can see is too much. Okay, this whole range now is what you're going to be considering. And also I'm also going to be considering this smaller range, this point. But the most important thing you need to know is that price is going to go back up, sweep this liquidity that we have pointed out, and then sell. But let's see how it goes. If it comes back to this point and we see, go to the lower time frame and see a better way to take our trades that will have a smaller SL, I would still be sending in the free analysis group. So this is my bias because we are still selling until price gets here. Okay, so this is my bias for GBPUSD. For EURUSD, I have not necessarily done anything in a while on EURUSD because price has not gotten to any of my POI. However, if it breaks this structure, we might likely look for newer POIs. So, but for now, I'm not doing anything on EURUSD. So when it gets there and gives me a confirmation, then I'll take my sell. So this is my bias for EURUSD. Also, if you want to know exactly how I trade, the TEPS course is available. The link is in my bio. All right. Do have a fruitful week. Bye.